So high where I need to come down to oxygen. Cause once we started, baby, ain't no stopping in. Cause I just wanna live my life and party. I wanna be free and rock my body.
Oh my god, it's worse than we thought. They made her emo!
I can't have everything I want.
Oh, please. I know what I need to do. You're really looking forward to it. Are you mad?
You should try it sometime.
I'm a real star.
I'm gonna hide in Pinky's locker and scare her when she...
Oh, yeah. What you said I meant to say. That's what I meant.
Someone to tell you you're beautiful. Someone to tell you you mean it. Someone to tell you I love you every day and don't got a reason.
Cigarettes, but I don't have a lighter. I hope no bitches steal my look, cause I'ma have to fight her. I tried to call Aisha, but her phone is fucking dead. Oh, whatever, I'll try again later. I'll call this twink instead.
Did somebody really erase everyone's memories of you? And even though we all know you're the biggest meanie, you're saying you're not mean anymore?
It's complicated.
So you have this idea of who you're supposed to be, but no one at school sees you that way. Is that it? Trust me, I get it.
Wow! This is the best surprise ever! How did you know it was my birthday?
I think there are people that help you become the person that you end up being, and you can be grateful for them, even if they were never meant to be in your life forever. I'm glad I knew you too.